Hi viewers, welcome to KCA Textile YouTube channel. In this video I'll be demonstrating how to lay a bed and how to fix nets on them. Now before we get started, please comment, share and subscribe to this channel. I'll be using a standard single bed, which is a 3x6 bed, and you start by having a very clean mattress. In case you have a mattress cover, you can put it on as I have done here. Then when this is ensured, you take your bed sheets and you spread it evenly. You ensure that all sides are equal. Then you tuck it in at the head part. You tuck it in. You move to the foot part. You tuck it in as well. Then you consider the sides. You put it in. To ensure it is well in and to the other side. Then the final look to ensure everywhere is flat. Then you proceed to fixing the pillowcase. Fix the pillowcase. And you place it at the head part. So this is the simple and the easiest way to lay a standard single bed. Now I proceed to the net fixing. To fix the net, you need a net like this. This is a rectangular net. Some people call it mosquito net. You need nails and you need rope. Now, the first step to fix this type of net is to check the corners of your bed. You check the corners. You note the position directly up the ceiling. Then you mark the corner directly at the ceiling part. This is already done. You mark the place. Then after marking the four corners at the ceiling region, you drive in the nails or screws that you will attach a rope to. After driving in the nails, you attach the rope and you hold the corners. Then you can look for the four corners of your net. Then you tie the rope at each corner. I've gone ahead to fix the rope at each of the four corners of the net. You can see it. Then I ensure that the net reaches the floor. This is very important to avoid mosquito from getting in. Now, you can proceed to tuck in the net at each of the corners so that it will prevent mosquito. You can tuck it in. So I'm done fixing the tucking in the net inside the bed. So if you want to enter, you can open through one layer and return it back. This is a ceiling hook method. That is, we attach the net using the ceiling hook or nail. An alternative method is using a frame, that is a stand at the four corners of the bed that will uphold the net. It can even be higher than this. So this is the demonstration. I believe you have learned from the videos. Please don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.